got one, guys. Alright guys, here we are, tournament day for stop number 3, Cherokee Lake. And for the TNKATT series, this is going to be another 3 fish limit. We're going to go to the same spot you might recognize from the practice video. We're going to do all the pretty much the same spots and just try to pick up one more fish than we did last time and get a limit and see where we can land. Hopefully we can catch more than that, but we're shooting for a limit, so let's just get there first and work our way from there. But yeah, we're going to be throwing the Money Badger by Berkeley. Also, you know, using the new Cast King Misty Mountain gloves. So, you know, if you need any of this gear, the bibs, I have the deflectors on today because it's going to be windy and might be a spotty chance of rain, and you know, so this time of year comes in handy. Also be throwing the Cast King Mega Jolly Elite, and I have my, you know, all my Abbott Garcia setups. I'll leave in the link below, the Rebo X with the cranking rod, the Jordan Lee cranking rod edition, the tournament edition. So yeah, just if you need any of that stuff, just click the links below and check it out. But yeah, let's get out here today. Let's try see what we can do. And I got some new camera gear, so new mounts, new external battery packs, so hopefully that'll help record everything that we need to record for our footage. So yeah, let's see if we can't crank a few, guys. There we go, guys. Let's get him back. He's not doing great. Cast King Misty Mountain gloves are doing the trick, man. I couldn't be happier, and I didn't have to drop a Benjamin to get them, and I didn't have to, you know, work an extra few hours through the week to, you know, pay for a pair of gloves. These are, I think, $25 with the sale, so you know, get in this description down below, guys, and get you a pair. Same with these flat rocks I'm wearing on my face here. I mean, polarized Cast King flat rocks, they're, I mean, doing the trick. Also low budget if you're like me and you break them, lose them, all that good jazz. These are what you want. It's a little bit more protected back here, but I don't know about it. None of that chunk rock. You might be able to find one or two back here. I don't know, but I'm gonna stick to what I've been catching them off of, which is a chunk rock. Jeez. Piece of these teriyaki bites went down the wrong hole, I guess. I'm trying to stay away from fighting this wind so much, but still finding good fishing areas. Thinking about heading across the lake after I get done fishing this little spot here, because that's where I caught all my fish. Well, all my fish. I caught my other smallmouth the last time we were here, was across the way on that more darker red clay bank over there. And oh wow, could be a spot, but I'd like to pick one up before we get over there. That way we're just hunting one, obviously. I think I got one, boys. And I got a nice tree pounder. That was a good looking tree pounder. I'll tell you right now, tree pounder or not, had my heart racing. Got one, guys. Good smallmouth. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. What a beauty. Barely hooked. He came off. What a beautiful fish, guys. So hard with this wind to stay in position. I will say that's one thing about this trolling motor. Does not have spot lock, so you're kind of fighting it. Trying to decide whether I'm ready to cut across the lake and go over there to that spot where I think we can get our third fish, or whether I just keep fishing this area here. Guys, it's almost noon. It's 11:50. We're crossing this lake with all these capsizers out here. It's unbelievable. Gotta fish this rock over here. Hopefully we can pull one off. If not, we might cross back and you know, go fish some spots where we got bit. But yeah, this is a little bit of a gamble. I wouldn't suggest crossing a lake in a kayak and double-digit wind gusts, but you gotta get over here, you know. It's not white capping too bad. I mean, you can see some rollers here and there, but yeah, it's interesting. We're almost across now though, so hopefully we can pick one more up and get our limit and see if we can't finish in the top 10 in this thing at least, if not the top 5. So if we get another 17 or 18, I feel pretty good about where, you know, it's getting a top 5 finish. But I'm not gonna, there's some really good fishermen, and I'm not gonna guesstimate on that. But you know, I mean, we get anything bigger than that, we definitely will help. 34 inches right now, so another 17 or bigger will put us at 51, 52, or 53 inches if you're talking about 20 inches. So yeah, that would be great. I know Colin's in first yet again. He's on fire here lately, so it's gonna be tough to even get anywhere near him, but gonna do our best. I mean, he's been killing it here as of late, so anything close will be good.